Hey y'all, welcome to Humming Catfish. Today we're going to be making some baked corn tortilla chips. So grab your tortillas, preheat the oven, and let's go. I started trying to eat a little bit healthier, and this was one of the things that I found very helpful because I love chips and salsa. I'm going to show y'all what I do, and then maybe you'll like it too. You can use any kind of corn tortilla. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'm actually using a store-bought. They're pretty cheap, and it just kind of makes the whole thing simple. I'm going to be making mine with olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, peanut oil, anything, avocado oil. So first thing we're going to do is brush the oil on the tortillas. I'd say these turned out pretty good. These cooked for about 16 minutes. You really want to watch when you're cooking these, especially after you hit the 10-minute mark and you flip them around. They'll go from ready to too late in half a minute. So keep an eye on them. Take them out when you think they look about how you want them. They will be a little bit flexible when you first take them out, but then as they cool, they're gonna crisp up. But let me make a mess real quick. Hey, yay, flecky. Well, that's all I got for y'all this week. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like what I'm doing, I sure would appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you really like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing to the channel. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.